Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics. Today we're going to be going over and showing you how to install our new Elite Series fog lamps on this 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. Our Elite Series fog lamps were designed to be the first OE-style fog lamp that provides a true upgrade in performance while also giving your Wrangler a more modern and aggressive look compared to your factory chrome reflector housings. Our Elite Series fog lamps are the widest aftermarket fog lamps on the market. What really sets these lamps apart is the patent-pending optic, which delivers an extremely sharp cutoff that meets SAE F3 standards and features a unique BMW-style color banding. When you combine this with the multi-die automotive emitters inside, Elite Series fog lamps provide a significant increase in output over your factory lamps. Our Elite Series fog lamps are available in two different color options, a 6000K cool white and a 3000K selective yellow. And all Elite Series fog lamps come standard with a distinctive amber backlight. This gives you an additional accent light along with the main beam for a unique modern look. You'll notice that our Elite Series fog lamps are constructed using OEM-grade materials, including a precision aluminum casting, a UV-coated outer lens, and a copper PCB inside. We're proud to say that these lamps are not imported. Unlike other options on the market, these were designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri, and are backed with an industry-leading 8-year warranty. Whether you get our Elite Series lamps for the plastic or steel bumper option, our engineers CAD designed these to be a direct, bolt-on, plug-and-play fitment with integrated aiming adjustment and no assembly or modification required. And we'll show you how to get them installed now. We're starting our installation on the driver's side of the vehicle, and we're going to grab a plastic trim removal tool to remove 5 plastic push clips to gain access to the back of the factory fog lamp. The 5 clips we'll be removing are here, 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 and here. You might notice that this Wrangler is modified, so it might be missing some pieces that your Wrangler has, but our main goal is to remove this panel from the back of the bumper. And there is a 6 clip underneath that you can get away without removing. However, we're going to remove it just so we can give you a little bit better view. Once we have access to the back of the bumper, we can disconnect our factory fog light harness and grab a 7mm socket to remove 4 screws holding on the factory fog lamp to the bumper. It may also help to have an extension on your ratchet for this part. With those taken out, we can remove our factory fog lamp. Now we can grab our Elite Series fog lamp and install it on the vehicle using the same 4 screws that held on our factory lamp. Now we can grab our provided adapter harness and plug the DT connector into the back of the Elite Series. Then we can plug the other end into the factory fog light harness. If it doesn't turn on, don't worry, just flip the connector 180 degrees. If you have a small enough Phillips head screwdriver, you can use that to make your final aiming adjustments. Because there is limited space though, you may need to use a small ratchet with a bit driver and Phillips head bit to reach the adjustment screw. Now we can route our backlight wiring to a 12-volt fuse source. There's plenty of different places around the vehicle that we can tap to, but for our application, we're going to be tapping it to the side marker. To gain access to the back of our side marker, we'll be removing 2 plastic push clips here, and then 2 8mm screws here and here. Then we can peel the fender liner back. Once we're in here, we'll find our white and brown power wire. That's what we'll be tapping to. Now we can clamp our T-tap over our wire and then secure it using a pair of needle nose pliers. With that tapped, we can plug in our spade connector and then test our backlight. Now you can secure up any excess wiring away from any hot or moving parts. since we tapped our backlight wire to our side marker and we wanted everything to be hidden, we ran our wiring up behind this trim piece and into the back of the fender. With the driver's side installed, we can put everything back together by reversing the same steps we used to take it apart and then repeat the process on the passenger side. With our Elite Series fog lamps installed, not only will you benefit from the increase in performance, but you'll also have a new aggressive style to your Wrangler. If you're looking to pick up a pair of Elite Series fog lamps for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you're looking to stay up to date on any of our new products, make sure you subscribe and click that notifications bell below. Thanks for watching.